This is Bailey's tickle spot. She's on her paw. On her paw. Hand me your paw. That is tickle it. Don't He's trying to make you. Get your paw. Here, Evan, how about you do it? I'll videotape it. Okay, I'm not really good at this. Okay. Put your paw up. Paw up, Bailey. Yeah, I'm not used to this. Here, I'll just tape. Oh, check this out. My very own knife. This is mine. This is for future generation. Uh-huh.
She's like getting
Well, she'll do it in a second. See? She's ticklish.
Oh, it even has, girls, even has a USB port, so all you have to do is plug in, and so you can
So, this is
go
it.
ahead
Billy ticklish.
plug in your USB.
Ticklish. Do it again. Do it again. Come on. Wait, what? That's not gonna work. I have to do it. Take it to go. Come on, she should do it in a second. Come on.
oh. Here, let me do it on this.
And this is all mine. Got a little kit. It's nice. Hey, Mom.
She just did it.
Hey, Mom. Do you know where my freakishly... Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Do you know where my freakishly large baby gun is?
Where your what?
Freakishly large baby gun is.
Nope. Drop it away. You left your
Where?
meeting tonight? Tomorrow. Oh, so they're like at 6 in the morning.
Alright, we're gonna end the video. Bye.